Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to put two videos in one screen on Capcut. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your Capcut application and then you need to click on the New Project button. After that, you need to choose any video file you want. For example, I will choose this one video and then click on the Add button at the bottom right corner. After that, first of all, you need to click on this video in timeline, and then, for example, I will find transform button, then resize, then I will, for example, resize this video file, for example, like this, and then click on the check button at the top right corner. Then I'm going to move this video right up here. After that, you need to find and click on the overlay button in this list of options, then add overlay, and then you need to choose your second video, for example this one, and then click on the add button. After that, you can change the duration of your two videos. For example, you can change the duration of the first one video to make it the same. After that, you can click on the second one video. You can actually click on the transform. You can click on the transform icon and then resize this video to like this, and then move it anywhere you want, like this. So, and that's all, and that's how to put two videos in one screen on Capcut. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.